And we have another reaction now coming in from the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Keshav Prasad Maurya, who has also now reacted, stating that it hurts if any member of the family goes astray. I would only urge the respected gentlemen that they will be harmed by riding on a sinking boat. This is, and he's also calling it a big mistake as far as Dara Singh Chauhan is concerned, calling him and asking him to, in fact, rethink his decision. He says as to how Big Brother Shri Dara Singh ji, you should reconsider your decision. That's the latest tweet coming in from, that is the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Keshav Prasad Maurya, who has now reacted on the resignation of Dara Singh Chauhan, stating that it hurts if any members of the family go astray. Let me also go across to Aishwarya Kapoor joining us over the phone line. Yes, Aishwarya, we have another sitting minister this time, Dara Singh Chauhan, quitting the BJP.
Well, that's right. And this is the second minister in 2 days. But what is happening that as soon as the list of the BJP is being prepared, as soon as the list of the first 3 phases is being finalized in the national capital, because as we speak, there is a very important meeting of the BJP which is on in the national capital. The chief minister, he himself is there, Yogi Adityanath. So all of these ministers, sitting ministers, their tickets were being cut out.
All right, we'll try to shortly go back to Aishwarya, who has been getting us these latest updates as well. But that's the first response and reaction coming in from Keshav Prasad Maurya, the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, asking his big brother Shri Dara Singh ji to reconsider his decision. Let me also go across to Ankit, who's also joining us live from the newsroom. Yes, Ankit, we have several reactions coming in from Dara Singh over Dara Singh Chauhan's resignation.
Absolutely, Richa. It's almost deja vu to what we saw yesterday when Swami Prasad Maurya resigned. You'll remember it was the Deputy Chief Minister of UP, Keshav Prasad Maurya, who wrote to him on Twitter and he asked him to reconsider his decision. And once again, we have the exact same thing happening. So Keshav Prasad Maurya writes, परिवार का कोई सदस्य भटक जाए तो दुख होता है. जाने वाले आदरणीय महानुभावों में को मैं बस यही आग्रह करूंगा कि डूबती हुई नाव पर सवार होने से नुकसान उनका ही होगा. बड़े भाई श्री दारा सिंह जी, आप अपने फैसले पर पूर्ण विचार करिए. So he is asking him to reconsider his decision. Yesterday, if we were to go back into Keshav Prasad Maurya's Twitter handle, we would find a similar tweet posted to SP Maurya. That one, we must say, went unheeded. SP Maurya does not seem to have reconsidered his decision, and even later Keshav Prasad Maurya seemed to reconcile himself with the fact that he is not going to reconsider. Now he is making another attempt, this time to convince another member of the Yogi Adityanath cabinet, his fellow member, to not step down. He is saying that this Samajwadi Party is a sinking ship in this case. It's not going to win the election, and he will be the one, that is Dara Singh Chauhan will be the one who later comes to regret this decision of jumping ship to the Samajwadi Party, which is going to sink, is what Keshav Prasad Maurya says. An olive branch nonetheless is still active, has been extended to the Minister of Forest, Environment and Zoological Parks in the Yogi Adityanath government, who has just tendered his resignation. Again, we can't emphasize this enough, that these kind of switches and the political flux appears to be happening by the hour. Yesterday we saw 4 BJP MLAs, one of them who was a minister, SP Maurya, they quit the party, or they intimated that they are quitting the party. We saw today earlier 2 MLAs from the opposition joining the BJP, as well as a former MLA. And now we have again the same thing we saw yesterday, which is a minister quitting and jumping ship to the Samajwadi Party. But the BJP appears to be not entirely giving up on these people just yet. They are trying to reconcile with them. They're trying to get them to reconsider the decision. As Aishwarya also said, a very key day 2 meeting of the BJP is in progress right now.
Right. All right. Thank you so much, Ankit, for getting us that latest update. Certainly a massive setback coming in for the BJP. Back-to-back 2 ministers in 2 days quitting the Bharatiya Janata Party. These are sitting ministers in the UP cabinet that we are talking about. Another minister, Dara Singh Chauhan, resigns.